thought this would be a great time to step in and talk to you really quickly about some of the real estate photography tips that I have available for you. A ton of questions I receive are: how do I get into the business? How do I get clients? What type of equipment do I need? So let me take the time really quickly and give you a few tips and tricks on what do you need to get started as a real estate photographer. One of my most important tips is to build a portfolio. Real estate agents need to see the type of quality that they're going to get when they're working with you. We have to realize that real estate agents are already pretty busy doing their day-to-day job, that it's best that you show up and show them a portfolio of amazing quality work so they know what they're getting when they work with you. So making sure that you have a rock-solid portfolio will also show that you're serious about your craft. Now, there are a few ways that I would recommend you starting out by getting a portfolio, and that's just getting creative, asking family, friends, or even coworkers if you can take photographs of their house. Even just showing the exterior and taking time to edit it together will help a real estate agent see the type of quality that they're getting. Real estate photography, much like any creative career, is word of mouth. So it's best to get out there, get creative, hone in on some of those entrepreneurial skills, and reach out to people who may have a potential problem, aka needing a real estate photographer that you can meet that need of. Do you edit? Do you have any additional services that could be useful for a real estate agent? I would personally recommend that you think about all of these things before reaching out to an agent. You don't want to come to them and give them more work to do for you. You want to come to them and show them that you can solve a problem that they might have. So get creative, do your research, and get out there and create a portfolio that can really sell who you are as an artist.